Learning is for everyone. iPads in the math classroom. There are many things to consider as you enter your classroom on the first day of school. Your students may hate math, they may think it's boring, or they may just be struggling with it. How are you going to help them? And how are you going to balance that with the students that enjoy the subject and are doing well in the class? So what can you do to help your students? Bringing iPads to your classroom can help open hundreds of doors. I have found several beneficial ways to help your students enjoy learning math while understanding it. iPads can be used in your class to help learn, review, and create materials. Let's see how it can be done. Let's learn. A great way to do this is by flipping your classroom. Well, not really flipping it upside down, but flipping it educationally. What's flipping your classroom, you may ask? Well, that's a great question. Flipping your classroom is where the instructor lectures online and the students can watch the videos at home. And then during class time, they can work on assignments together. iPads can make this idea possible. This is a much more efficient way of learning. Flipping the classroom allows students to watch the videos over and over at home, also while they're doing their work in the class, and then they can work together with their classmates to solve problems instead of alone. There are some great apps you can use to flip your classroom and to record online videos. The one I'm using right now is called Explain Everything. It is a screencast or video tool that allows you to record lessons and other tutorials that can be used in your future classroom. This app allows you to record audio, create text, insert pictures, annotate stuff, as well as much more. Using the apps on the iPad, you can help students visualize the material and also assist them on their work. Some example apps are calculators, graphing calculators, plotting graphs, and then you can also take pictures and screenshots of your homework and resources online that can help you complete the assignment. iPads make it easy to quickly share the material from one student to the next or flip back and forth between resources. iPads also allow students to have e-textbooks. We all know that math books can be very heavy. However, in some cases, you can have the book and the e-textbook and be on two separate pages at once. We all know that flipping back and forth becomes a real annoyance. It's great to be able to see the problem on one page and the instructions on the other, so you can work quickly on the problem. This takes away from the tedious flipping back and forth, losing your spot in the text, and other pains. Things such as iMessage, the camera, and FaceTime can help you collaborate with your peers outside of the classroom. Working with others is sometimes the best way to learn subjects such as math. How do iPads help with review? There are many online resources that you can check out. One of my favorite is called Khan Academy. This app works wonders with struggling students and even those high-achieving ones. It allows them to watch the videos and learn math at their own pace. There are also many review games that allow students to get extra practice. Apps like that can help students learn without them even realizing it. Not only are there games, but there are also study options. Things like flashcards and Evernote can help take notes or create flashcards to help study. These can benefit both the student and the instructor. This video is embedded in an app called Book Creator for iPad. Creating books as an instructor can be a great way to make a study guide for your class. This is great review for the students before a quiz or a test. The bonus of applications like this is students can view the material as often as they like, and they don't feel rushed that they have to take notes quickly. iPads are a huge helper in allowing students to learn at their own pace, which usually creates better results. Having more options on how to learn encourages a better outlook on the subject. Who knows, they may actually begin to like math. Now let's see how students can create by using the iPad. Here are some more apps where students can show what they've learned by creating tutorials, videos, or even lessons to the class. Edu Creations and Be Context allow you to create screencast type videos, and then Express Books allows you to make a small book. By expressing what you know through one of these apps, students are showing that they have learned the material thoroughly. When you teach a topic, you have a better understanding of it. They say teaching is the best way to learn. iPads can make math much more enjoyable and less complicated. With this in your favor, the students should be able to develop a new understanding of math. I hope you find this video helpful and you can use some of the tips in your 21st century classroom. Good luck!